How to center text on Google Docs. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to center text on Google Docs. It's super simple, so let's get started. Now, this is an untitled document. Here, we will add some text. Let's type here, hello world. Now, if you want to center this text both vertically and horizontally, first we'll go ahead and see how we can center the text horizontally. In order to do that, you need to click on Insert, and from here you need to insert a 1 by 1 table. Now, once you have done that, inside the table, you need to write the text that you want to center. This is Hello World. Now, you can go ahead and increase the font size of the text, or you can even make the text bold, and you need to simply go ahead and click on Align and Indent, and from here you can click on Center Align. Now, as you can see that the text has moved to center horizontally. But if you want to do this vertically, you need to simply go ahead and drag the bottom of your table, say to the end of the page. Don't take it too low, otherwise it will move to the next page. Now you need to simply go ahead and click on Format, and from here you need to click on Table. From here you need to simply click on Table Options, and then you need to click on Cell. From here you can see that Cell Vertical Alignment is at top. You need to simply select and make it middle. Now, as you can see that the text is now moved to middle. Now, we need to simply go ahead and remove the table. That you can do this by clicking on colors. And from here, you can simply remove the table border to 0 point. And as you can see that your text is now in the middle vertically. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.